guys, thought I'd do the next version 2 of trying this BORA hob out again. This time I'm going to be doing some burgers and some enormous pork steaks, so I'll oil this unit up and off we go. Okay, so starting off I'm going to be doing these British salt dried aged Hampshire pork tomahawk steaks from Marks and Spencer's. So let's put a bit of oil on here. Turn the heat down to just 1. Okay, so we're virtually done with these delicious smelling burgers, and the pork's nearly done. Okay guys, so I've finished the cooking, and Inga's kindly put a bit of salad and some mushroom sauce, her speciality, together, and I have had a little taste of this, and it is, I don't know if it's the Marks and Spencer's meat or the BORA, but it is absolutely delicious. So another success. Let's tuck in.